So, actually, that's just the introduction. And here's my main topic, okay? My main topic is how to build Gen Y teams that create leaders. So, the first two major Gen Y qualities, I'm going to discuss the first two major Gen Y qualities. And my partner, Rock, is he here? Is he around? Can you give a hand for Rock? He's going to talk later. And he's going to discuss the last two, okay? The first is fast-paced and impatient. Okay, I'm going to discuss that later on. The second is the need for immediate gratification for effort and belongingness and our community. The first one, fast-paced and impatient. Okay, do you want to build your side of business slow or fast? Okay, so actually one of the advantages of Gen Y, okay, is we are what? Yeah, so Gen Y are, according to Wikipedia, those are the generation that was born between 1980 and 1992. Okay, and before that was Gen X. Okay, after that was Gen Z. And right now we have the millennials. It's called the selfie generation. Do you want to know $1 million tip? Yes. So even though we're speaking right now about Gen Y, what you need to focus on and look in the next 5 years is the millennials. Those who are 17 or 18 years old right now. Because you know what? In the next 5 years, they're going to be what? 21, 22, 23, and maybe looking for a job, looking for a better financial opportunity. Is that right?